Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back into another video. In today's video I got a 2014 Ford Focus right over here, and I'm about to change the oil on this, and I'll show you guys the few steps on how to do that oil change. So the first thing you guys will need to do, let me get the camera real quick. First thing you guys will need to do is go ahead and obviously put on jack stands or whatever. I have this right here, this little setup right here. First of all, you guys got to go ahead and open the cap right here. And you got to get the oil, the right oil. Make sure you get the factory oil. Mine is 5W20 for this Focus. So make sure you guys take this off before, so all the air gets out and all the oil gets out too. So make sure you guys get your torque wrench right here. And let me tell you what size is it. Just give me a second and I'm gonna go under there real quick. Alrighty guys, you guys are gonna, like I said, you guys will need your torque wrench right here. And you guys will need socket 15. So yeah, I have the socket 15 right here. And yeah, you guys can go ahead and just torque it and you should be all set. Let me set my camera up real quick. Put it on here for a second. Set it off. And yeah, just go ahead and open it. The engine is really hot, so make sure you guys don't touch it at all. There you go, just like that. And just be careful when you're opening it, because it can spill everywhere, and it's also hot too. There we go. Yeah, and just like that, the oil is draining in and out. And yeah, as you guys can see, the oil is dirty as fuck, man. But yeah, and you guys make sure you guys watch out, because the engine is hot. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So all you gotta do, and like I said, the oil is pretty dirty. And yeah, after it drains, all the oil drains in the bucket. Get a bucket or container, and then I'll show you guys the next step after. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it, clean the screw. Make sure you guys clean it before you put it back on. And yeah, once it drains, and I'll tell you guys the next step. Trying my best to kind of record, because like obviously that shit's hot, and yeah, it's kind of hard to record under the car. But yeah, make sure you guys get like a piece of towel or something and just clean the, if oil goes somewhere, just make sure you clean it. And yeah, I'll be back with you guys for the next step. So that one right there, after opening it, all the oil gets out, go ahead and screw it back on and torque it, and just close the socket. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Like I said guys, I'm doing my best to record it, but yeah, see. But yeah, this thing is hot. The engine is really hot, so be careful. Like I said, I know I mentioned it a lot of times, but I want you guys to be safe. So make sure you don't over torque it. That's good. That one is done. And yeah, just like that. Just good, I guess. No. Just go ahead and yeah, clean it off, and that's it. My uncle's gonna help me record this. And yeah, all you guys gotta do is get one of the scoops, whatever. Make sure it's clean before you do it. Go ahead and put it in here. And you guys can go ahead and get your oil. Like I said, I'm using 5W20. It says it on here, 5W20. There it is. And just slowly put the oil in there. Sorry, somebody's keep calling me. Slowly. This should be the last step. I recommend using this one of these scoops, whatever they're called. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but so the oil doesn't go everywhere. Yeah, this is pretty much it. And make sure you guys not throw this away, because you're gonna use it for the old oil. You can just put the old oil in and you can throw it away. There we go, just like that. That's pretty much it. You guys have now officially done an oil change. And yeah, if you guys like more of my videos, make sure you guys go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, oil changes are pretty simple. You just don't gotta be nervous or anything. But yeah, like as always, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos or future content. And yeah, you guys have done an oil change, and now you guys can go ahead and put this back on. There we go. Stick here, and it's back, and it's ready to be on the road again. And I think you're gonna have to change it in your car too. Like it says oil change required, and you're gonna have to do change it something in the car, because on the dash it says change oil. But I'll show you guys how to do that step 2 in a second. And yeah, I mean the hood. There we go. And yeah, let me see. Let's see if we can reset the oil light, huh? Let's see. Okay, you see, as you guys can see, it says oil change due. Now we gotta go through the settings. So let's find the settings. Okay, settings right here. Press OK. And let's see. Then you gotta go to convenience. No, not that. I know how to do it, but I just forgot. I think it's display. And let's go to distance real quick. It's got to be somewhere here. Okay, it's definitely not this one. Okay, we got to go to give me a second. Not that. Okay, then we got to go on the road. So let's see, system check. Yep, you got to go to system check. And yeah, oil change. Then you gotta hold OK for a few seconds. Okay, I'll get back with you guys in a second, and let me just double check the settings real quick, and I'll get back with you guys, because I think you have to change. Okay, hold on. All right, I'll get back with you guys in a second. All right, what you guys will need to do is go ahead and hold your brake down, so you brake and your gas down, but make sure you guys' car is turned off. Make sure you guys' car is turned off. Like I said, hold it down and then turn the ignition on. Go ahead and turn the ignition on. It's gonna say, just wait for it. Okay, give me a second. Wait for the change oil thing to pop out. Just give it a second. Yeah, as you guys can see that light right there. Okay, now what you guys want to do is go ahead and turn the car back off. Turn the car back off, and then hold the gas, hold the brake down and the gas down, and then turn it back on. Turn the ignition on. And you should get a light somewhere here, and it's gonna say, yeah, you see, as you guys can see, it says service oil reset in progress. Make sure you guys see that message. If you don't see it, go ahead and go back to the video and reset the stuff. Okay, as you guys can see, it says service oil reset complete. Now you guys can go ahead and release the brake and the gas. Now you guys can go ahead and turn the car on, and your car's ready to go. And yep, there you go. Should be good now. Alright, man, if you guys like the video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.